Good morning, everybody. Wow. Welcome to Miami.
The resilience that we have as a company just underscores our ability to collaborate, to learn, and to play together, right, in this sandbox that we call diversity.
I love the fact that you made this trip, you came to this conference, you're participating, because it shows me you're the kind of people who take your business seriously and who want to level up and outpace all the competition in your respective markets. So I'm so thrilled to be in this room today.
This year, let's believe that our goals are not just aspirations, but achievable milestones. Let's make 2024 a year of unwavering positivity, relentless pursuit of possibilities, and remarkable achievements. Let's go.
Let's keep pushing forward, leveraging our strengths and supporting each other as we continue to be trusted advisors in the industry. Your commitment to excellence is what makes us SVN.